Welcome to the end of day review for Monday, the 8th of January 2024. Kicking it off with the economic calendar, as you can see, there are no high risk or red folder news events, which means there's no considerations for our trading for the day. Moving on to the charts, in terms of the 4 hour, we opened roughly around here this morning, and then we moved down and then correctively moved back to the upside. I guess to summarize, there hasn't really been much of a change. This 4HOB remains intact, and we can still consider trading from the secondary leg on the 5 minute. However, once we do body break this level, then we will essentially validate our 4H primary leg, and then from that point onwards we can consider longs. However, given that today is likely going to close bullish again, that would invalidate longs for tomorrow, and we'll have to wait for a reset day. So if things align correctly, then we'll either respect this level or we will wick the high, essentially resetting the current secondary leg and creating a new secondary leg from which we can short from tomorrow. Tomorrow there's also no red folder news events, which is pretty good for our trading, and we can then reevaluate accordingly in tomorrow's London outlook. In terms of what happened on the 5 minute with the trade I took in London, it did end up in a loss. It moved about 0.7 hour in my favor before returning back, and then in New York it actually took out the high of the day, which then was evidence for me that I got the daily direction incorrect for today. That's perfectly fine. I was happy with the narrative. Everything was clear to me that there was more, or it was more hype. It was actually high probability for shorts rather than longs.